Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing a deep dive into PocketSurvey.
Okay.
Thinking about schedule of condition surveys
Oh,
and all the
okay.
paperwork.
Yeah.
Those detailed reports that capture the exact condition of a property at a specific moment in time can be a real pain.
Yeah.
So we're going to explore how this mobile software can maybe help us ditch the paper and streamline things,
I like it.
make our surveying lives a whole lot easier.
Much easier.
So,
It's pretty amazing how PocketSurvey takes what used to be so cumbersome and time-consuming and turns it into a smooth digital workflow.
yeah, so we've got this training video here by PocketSurvey expert James Holroyd.
Okay.
And it's packed with features that sound like they could really make a difference for surveyors
Absolutely.
out in the field.
Yeah. One of the things that jumps out at me is the flexibility.
Okay.
PocketSurvey is designed for mobile first.
Okay.
So you can use it on your phone, your tablet, while you're on site. But it also works great on your desktop.
Wow.
Windows, Mac, anything.
So I could start a survey on my phone while I'm walking through a property
Exactly.
and finish the report later at my desk.
That's exactly right.
That's amazing. No more transferring notes or juggling devices.
Nope.
Struggling with compatibility issues.
And the interface is super intuitive.
Okay, good.
Even if you're not a tech whiz, you won't be wasting time trying to figure out menus.
Yeah.
It's all designed to be user-friendly and efficient.
I love to hear that. But let's talk about the reports themselves.
Sure.
Because that's where things get really interesting.
Yeah.
The video mentions that you can generate a complete report with just one click
Yes.
right after you finish the inspection. Is that right?
You hit a button and boom,
Wow.
professional-looking report is ready to go.
That's incredible. But what's actually in these reports? What
Right.
makes them so special?
They're really detailed and comprehensive. They cover everything from the big picture stuff, like the property address and building type,
Okay.
down to every little detail of each element that you inspect.
So it's not just like a general overview.
Not at all.
Okay.
You can document the condition of each element, note any defects,
Uh-huh.
take photos with captions, and even estimate the cost of repairs,
Wow.
all within the app.
You know how clients sometimes struggle to understand the true condition of a property?
I know exactly what you mean.
With this level of detail and the photos,
Yes.
you're giving them the clearest possible picture.
Absolutely.
Like they were right there with you on the inspection.
It's amazing. And to make things even easier for clients,
Okay.
it automatically generates a table of contents with hyperlinks.
Oh, nice.
So if someone wants to jump to the roof section, for example,
Yeah,
they can do that with one click.
that's a great feature.
It is.
Little touches make it really user-friendly.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got the front page with the basic info,
Yes.
table of contents for navigation,
Yeah.
and a section for each building element.
Right.
What else is included?
You've got general photos like floor plans,
Yep.
certificates,
Uh-huh.
a glossary to explain technical terms,
So it's like built in.
and a customizable section where you can define the scope of the inspection.
So there's like transparency.
Yeah, transparency's key.
And I assume there are sections for the legal stuff too.
Of course.
Disclaimers, signatures, all that.
Disclaimer, quality assurance statement, you can sign off on it.
Okay.
You can even put the details for your quality checkers if you use them.
It sounds like a very comprehensive package.
It is.
I'm starting to see why you're so enthusiastic about this software.
Yeah, it covers all the bases.
Really streamlines things.
There's one more feature that I think you'll find interesting.
Okay, lay it on me.
It's called the Costly Works add-on.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Remember those late nights compiling reports
Oh, yeah.
after a long day of inspections?
Yeah.
With PocketSurvey, you can finish everything on site and be done with it.
So I could give a client an estimate right then and there.
You got it.
That's amazing.
It's a game changer.
It really is.
Elevates your service,
Yeah,
positions you as a proactive problem solver,
totally.
saves everyone time.
Let's recap. Multi-device compatibility,
Yes.
user-friendly interface, powerful reporting features.
That's right.
This impressive Costly Works add-on.
It's a good one.
Is there anything else we should know about PocketSurvey?
Well, there are a bunch of other features that can streamline your workflow, like a built-in jobs calendar,
Okay.
location maps for your projects, progress tracking, and even user management if you're working with a team.
Nice.
You can also export your data to spreadsheets for further analysis.
Wow, they really thought of everything.
They really have.
It sounds like they understand the challenges that surveyors face.
Yeah, and designed a tool to address them head on.
I'm intrigued. Before we wrap up this part of our deep dive,
Okay.
anything else our listeners should know about PocketSurvey?
Well, they offer a trial so you can experience it for yourself.
Okay.
If you're involved with schedule of conditions surveys, or really any kind of building inspection, I highly recommend giving it a shot.
Awesome advice.
Sounds good. Ready to explore how PocketSurvey is pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
While we were talking about all those features, I was thinking about the future.
Yeah.
We're already seeing technology transform how surveyors work.
Right?
It seems like things are only going to get more advanced from here.
That's true. One area where I think we'll see exciting developments is data analysis and predictive modeling.
Predictive modeling. So we might be able to predict building issues before they even happen.
Right, that's the idea.
That sounds almost like science fiction.
It might sound futuristic, but it's closer than you think.
Okay.
As we gather more data through tools like PocketSurvey, we can use AI and machine learning to analyze patterns.
Interesting.
Trends.
So instead of just reacting to problems, we could prevent them.
Exactly. Imagine being able to identify areas of a building that are likely to develop issues, allowing for targeted maintenance.
So we could save building owners a lot of money.
Potentially a fortune in repairs.
That's a game changer, not just for surveyors.
Right.
But for the whole construction and property management industry.
Absolutely.
It's like having a crystal ball for buildings.
It really is. And it's not just about saving money.
What else?
It could also play a big role in sustainability.
Oh, interesting. How so?
Well, by identifying areas where we can improve energy efficiency.
Okay.
We can create more environmentally friendly buildings.
Yeah.
Imagine using data to pinpoint areas with poor insulation or inefficient HVAC systems.
Right. Yeah.
That info could be used to make targeted improvements.
So it's about more than just making things easier for surveyors.
Yes.
We're talking about a positive impact on the planet.
Exactly. Technology can be a force for good.
Now I'm wondering about automation.
Yeah.
We talked about how PocketSurvey automates reports. Could we see even more automation in the future?
Absolutely. As AI and robotics advance, we could see things like data collection and even some analysis becoming automated.
You're saying robots could help with inspections?
That's a possibility.
What would that even look like?
Imagine drones with high-resolution cameras.
Wow.
And sensors flying through buildings, capturing images and data.
And then what?
Feeding that directly into PocketSurvey for analysis.
It's pretty wild.
Or maybe ground-based robots navigating spaces, accessing hard-to-reach areas, gathering information.
That's next-level surveying.
It is, but what happens to the human surveyor?
Right, do they become obsolete?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I believe their role becomes even more important.
Interesting.
As technology takes over routine tasks, surveyors will be free to focus on higher-level things.
So it's not about robots replacing humans. It's about robots helping us.
Exactly. Leveraging the strength of both technology for the repetitive tasks.
Yeah. It sounds like the future of surveying is going to be exciting. Absolutely. With tools like PocketSurvey leading the way. It's looking bright.
It is.
I think it's time to wrap up our deep dive.
Okay.
We've covered a lot today. Before we sign off, any final words for our listeners?
Embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and never stop learning.
Well said. It really makes you think about how the role of the surveyor is changing.
It's a fascinating time to be in this profession, for sure.
Yeah, a real shift from traditional methods to a more tech-driven approach.
Definitely, and it raises some interesting questions.
Like what?
Like, what does it even mean to be a surveyor in this new digital world?
That's a good question.
I think it means embracing the power of technology.
Okay.
But also remembering the core principles of the profession.
Finding that balance.
Yeah, that sweet spot where human expertise and digital tools work together.
Not about replacing human judgment.
Right.
But using tech to enhance our capabilities.
Exactly. Technology makes us more efficient, more accurate, more insightful.
Yeah.
But it's our human skills that really make the difference.
Our ability to observe and analyze.
Yes. And interpret.
That's what sets us apart.
It's like we said before.
Yeah.
The most powerful tool a surveyor has isn't software.
Right.
It's their mind.
Their experience.
And their ability to think critically.
Make informed decisions.
Exactly. And I think that's important to remember.
Definitely.
As we move into this new era of digital surveying.
Technology is a tool.
That's all it is.
And it's only as good as the person using it.
Well said.
So to all the surveyors out there listening. Embrace the possibilities. I love it. And on that note, we'll wrap up our deep dive into PocketSurvey.